Well, a big greetings to you out there, and welcome to this podcast. In this podcast, we are going to look at a fact check to verify whether a certain information is true. Well, there's an information that has been going around about Joseph Kony. The information is shared widely on TikTok. The information says the ICC and FBI report shows that LRA boss
Joseph Kony is not there.
Therefore, the government of Uganda must explain the genocide of 1980s in northern Uganda. one hell of a crazy allegation. And this thing has gone so viral. It's with a photo of Joseph Kony. The title is ICC/FBI report. Joseph Kony is not there. Is it true or not? Well, one thing I have to say clearly, this is a total misinformation. When you check the official website of FBI, check the official website of the United States government, the official website of the International Criminal Court, or even the emails that we usually get for updates. We get daily emails, and at times, most of the emails which are not relevant to the Acholi or Uganda, we don't post them. Or any other giant media outlets like BBC, CNN, maybe NTV, NBS, and the rest, they have not also come out with this information. This kind of information, they either get it late or they'll be among the first people to publish it. All these are a clear, total sign that this information is not yet true. It's not true. It's not true, and the information is saying that Joseph Kony is dead, and it seems like the person is putting a prejudice against the NRM government, a judgment on the NRM government, that they have now to explain the 1980s. And if Joseph Kony is to pass away, it is not automatically that the government of Uganda is the one that must bear the burden of the explanation of the genocide that happened in our land here. So this one, I'm not taking any side, but it's just a verification on this fact check that the information is false. Thank you.